Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance gaming laptops with a collaboration that's sure to turn heads. MSI and Mercedes AMG. That's right, two giants in their respective fields. MSI, the leading name in gaming hardware, and Mercedes AMG, synonymous with luxury and speed in the automotive world, have joined forces. They've created a laptop that's not just about power, but also about style and sophistication. This isn't your average gaming laptop. It's a masterpiece of engineering and design. The MSI AMG Motorsport laptop is for those who demand the best of the best, both in performance and aesthetics. It's not just about playing games. It's about experiencing them in the most luxurious way possible. Think of it as the Mercedes AMG GT of the laptop world. Sleek, powerful, and designed to turn heads. It's a statement piece that combines speed with sophistication. But what really sets this machine apart is the attention to detail. Every component is meticulously crafted to ensure top-notch performance and unparalleled luxury. Every inch of this laptop screams luxury. From the premium materials used in its construction to the subtle design, flourishes inspired by Mercedes AMG's racing heritage. It's not just a laptop, it's a work of art that delivers an extraordinary gaming experience. Now, let's talk specs. This is where things get really exciting. This beast is powered by the latest Intel Core i9 processor, ensuring top-notch performance for any task. Trust me, this thing can handle anything you throw at it, from the most demanding games to intensive software applications. We're talking buttery smooth frame rates, lightning-fast rendering, and seamless multitasking. No more lag or stutter, just pure, uninterrupted performance. And to top it all, it packs an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, delivering stunning visuals and incredible detail. The display is just as impressive. A 16-inch 4K mini LED display with a super-fast 240Hz refresh rate. This means ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just browsing the web, this screen is a treat for the eyes. It's designed to provide the best visual experience possible. Section 4. More than just a pretty face. The design is where the collaboration really shines. The laptop features the iconic Mercedes AMG logo on the lid, a testament to the partnership. The keyboard is a work of art, with per-key RGB backlighting and a dedicated AMG key that lets you customize performance profiles. And let's not forget the cooling system. MSI has implemented its cutting-edge Cooler Boost 5 technology, ensuring the laptop stays cool even under the most demanding workloads. Section 5. The complete package. But wait, there's more. The MSI AMG Motorsport laptop doesn't come alone. This isn't just a laptop. It's an experience, a statement of luxury and performance combined. It's packaged with a suite of exclusive accessories, each designed to enhance your computing experience. You get a matching mouse, crafted for precision and comfort, a headset that delivers immersive audio, perfect for gaming or media consumption, and a sleek carrying case that's as stylish as the laptop itself, ensuring you travel in style. So, who's this laptop for? It's for the discerning user who demands excellence. It's for the gamer who wants the absolute best performance, with cutting-edge technology and seamless gameplay, and a machine that looks as good as it plays, blending aesthetics with functionality. It's also for the professional who needs a powerful and stylish laptop, one that can handle demanding tasks with ease, making it perfect for both work and play, ensuring you never have to compromise.